Today I'm doing a review on these stencils. There's 30 little stencils that comes in a package, and I'm combining this review with these bags. These are gift bags, and I have got them in 50s. So let's make a couple gift bags. These are Halloween gift bags, and we are going to use a few of those 30 stencils. The stencils come, they're 3 by 3, and I got the gift bags so that those stencils would be perfect at the bottom and you'd be able to see the whole design. Every one of the 30 Halloween stencils is different, and the stencils are heavy duty enough that you can wash them and use them over and over. They are absolutely adorable. You have pumpkins, there's some witches, they're all Halloween motifs that work perfectly on these little gift bags. I'm going to stencil one of the little pumpkin ones, and what I am doing is I am taping off all around the stencil. The stencils actually fit that 3 by 3 inch space, and they go pretty close to the edge, so I want to protect my fabric edge. And I'm just going to use some orange paint and just stencil. And I'm pulling it off, and you can see that pumpkin is perfect. Now I want to have a shadow. So what I'm going to do, the orange is the shadow, and I am going to go ahead and just move that stencil about a little more than 1/8 of an inch to the right, and then I'm stenciling over the other, right over the stencil, and I'm using black. So I went right over it, and there you have it, a black with an orange shadow. And I love these stencils, and they're the perfect combination with these little gift bags to make these absolutely adorable Halloween treat bags.